We are in room 24310. This is the basic level room that you can get at the Hilton Grand Vacations Club at King's Landing. If you've seen my other videos before, you have known that we stay here every year or twice a year sometimes. But this is the basic junior 1 bedroom, the lowest standard room you can get here. Pretty small, but still. You do got 1 king bed, and you do still have your kitchen here. Stove is a little bit smaller than it would be if you got the upgraded room. You still have the washer and dryer, which you know is very, very helpful. And you still get a big walk-in shower. The only difference is if you go one up from this category, you would have got a soaking tub as well. So this is otherwise your shower in this room. You've got 1 sink here. Housekeeping does come by daily just to tidy. You've got your Toto washlet bidet there, and some dining table seating. This is just your living room and your bedroom like I showed you. There is also a closet here to store all of your things. And we don't have the fancy golf course view. We just have the view of the parking lot. So every room also does have a balcony, and you do get to go down to the Hilton Waikoloa Resort. You can use all their amenities. They also have a shuttle. Some of my older videos are more detailed if you want to check those out on my channel, but this is always a great place to stay. It's in really, really good shape here. But here is your balcony, and someone's ready to go outside. So the other rooms, like I said, you can see the golf course that's actually behind here. What are you doing, buddy? Hi. Get out from there. What are you doing? And these are broken into different like towers. The highest they'll go is to the 3rd floor, which is what we're on, but the clubhouse is actually over there. Short drive down there would be the Hilton Waikoloa Resort. There's also a shuttle that picks up from the parking lots.